Oh, yo.
Oh, there's one. Yep. Ah, I told you. Come on, man, stop moving.
That's my biggest issue. I can never like grip them up and then.
That was bait. Go, Bean.
See, it's my lucky spot.
Go, Bean. Keep your rod a little higher. Rod a little higher. It's a spot.
But it's a pretty big spot.
Yep. Good job, Bean. You know. You have a fish. No, reel him in. Reel him in.
What's that one?
That is a good question. It almost looks like a drum or a shoe. I don't know.
Oh.
Yeah, they're saltwater fish, they bleed. Wow. Little guys. Yep. Spot.
Bigger.
Yep. Oh, look at this.
Oh my gosh. I heard that.
Hooked himself. Oh, it's usually a croaker. Yep.
Oh, it's a big guy.
It's usually a croaker.
A big one.
See you, little buddy. It's always nice to put your rod down and catch a fish. He's hooked up. Here comes my fish. Can you take it off? Man up.
I'm not. It's just I feel like I don't know how.
You grab him from below, like his belly. Yeah, you wrap it around and then you hold his fins down and you just pop the hook off.
Wait, is there something I shouldn't touch? No, I'm being serious.
No, just grab him from below. No, that's why
you told me last year this fish are like.
You grab him from below and then he can't spike you. Yeah, go ahead. Boom. Now just gently hold on to him. Pop the hook out. Just work it out. Just pull it out of his mouth. Just flip it around and pop it back out. Yep, now pop it out. All of YouTube is watching.
Okay, I don't know what's going on.
There you go. Oh, back.
Good job.